Invest in yourself. It's a simple concept, yet one that is often overlooked in the hustle and bustle of everyday life. We are constantly bombarded with messages about investing in stocks, real estate, and other financial ventures. But what about investing in the most important asset we have, ourselves? Health and well-being should be at the forefront of our minds when it comes to achieving financial growth. It may seem counterintuitive at first. After all, how does taking care of our bodies and minds lead to financial success? The answer lies in the interconnectedness of our physical, mental, and financial well-being. When we prioritize our health, we are setting ourselves up for success in all areas of our lives. A healthy lifestyle leads to increased productivity, allowing us to work more efficiently and effectively. This, in turn, can lead to promotions, raises, and other financial rewards. By taking care of our bodies through regular exercise, proper nutrition, and adequate rest, we are better equipped to handle the demands of our jobs and excel in our careers. But the benefits of investing in our health go beyond just financial gain. By maintaining a healthy lifestyle, we can reduce our risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. This not only leads to a higher quality of life, but also saves us money in the long run. Medical expenses can quickly add up, and by taking preventative measures to stay healthy, we can avoid costly treatments and medications. In addition to physical health, mental well-being is also crucial to financial stability. Stress, anxiety, and depression can all take a toll on our ability to work effectively and make sound financial decisions. By prioritizing self-care practices such as meditation, mindfulness, and therapy, we can improve our mental health and reduce the negative impact of stress on our finances. So how can we start investing in ourselves today? It begins with small, manageable changes that can have a big impact over time. Start by incorporating regular exercise into your routine, whether it's going for a walk, taking a yoga class, or hitting the gym. Focus on eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Get an adequate amount of sleep each night to recharge your body and mind. In addition to physical health, make time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Whether it's reading a book, spending time with loved ones, or pursuing a hobby, taking care of your mental well-being is just as important as taking care of your body. Consider seeking out a therapist or counselor if you are struggling with stress, anxiety, or other mental health issues. Investing in yourself is not just about the present moment. It's about setting yourself up for a successful future. By prioritizing your health and well-being, you are laying the foundation for financial growth and stability. Remember, you are your most valuable asset, so treat yourself with the care and respect you deserve. So, subscribe for more holistic financial advice and start investing in yourself today. Your future self will thank you for it.